Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video we're going to talk about the 4 profitable KDP Amazon low content keywords that you could try using in order to help you get your books to rank higher on the search engines, boost your sales and boost your reviews as well. We're going to discuss each keyword one by one, including the analytics data to each of the keywords. I'm going to show you where you can get the interior so we can have a look at the couple of examples. I'll try to keep this short and simple. Subscribe to the channel. We do daily videos talking about Amazon KDP low content high demand keywords that are low competition as well. Daily videos also on my passive income journey. So if you're interested in these kinds of things, give our channel a subscribe and click on the bell icon in order to be notified on all our new videos. Let's dive into the first keyword for the day, which is employee timesheet. Employee timesheet is more of a tracker and a logbook kind of low content book. It has a keyword niche score of 45 and a total result of 569. Currently the average price is not listed. I'm currently using the self-publishing Titans Chrome extension. It is free of charge and it can be installed in your Chrome browser. I've got a couple of books here that are rating quite great and fantastic when it comes to the BSR score, the best-selling rank score, which is preferably to be 500,000 and less. I've got a great book here ranking 94,839. It's a simple tracker, a simple logbook. And we're going to talk about our second keyword for the day, which is Aura Reading Logbook. Aura Reading Logbook currently has a keyword niche score of 48 and a total result of 778. The average price is $6.99, and there are a couple of books that are ranking also quite high, mostly workbook related books. So a prompt journal or a organizer or a tracker would work great for this niche. It's also under the meditation niche, under the spirituality niche. We've discussed that in depth in the last video. Let's have a look at the third keyword for the day, which is Chinese character practice sheets. And this keyword is great. It has a keyword niche score of 47. The total results are quite on the higher side, but don't fear because there's a lot of opportunity in this keyword to niche down. The total results stand at 2,299 and the average price is $7.97, a perfect price for low content books. Now with this, you're mostly looking at practice sheets, which is more like lined sheets for either children or adults that are willing to practice Chinese and write down the letters, write down the characters, and familiarize themselves that way. It would be great if you include a page or two about the instructions on how to use it, a couple of things on the Chinese language and some basic things in order to add added value. And the last and final keyword for the day is an amazing keyword that stands at a keyword niche score of 58. And the keyword is a mini golf scorecard logbook. Mini golf scorecard logbook has a total result of 320, an average price of $8.67, super low total results, and really high niche score. Apart from that, it has a couple of really good books that are ranking quite well here with great reviews as well. It's a really simple kind of tracker and logbook that you can easily get through the interior for you through Creative Fabrica. And I have a subscription for Creative Fabrica, which is a monthly subscription that allows you unlimited downloads. You can get a discount link in the description box below. Now what I usually do, I just head to Creative Fabrica, I search every single keyword out of the 4 keywords and look for the interiors. I also go and look for the graphics as well, because these are really good to help in creating visually appealing, beautiful covers that get the sales rolling. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and remember to like and share and subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon in order to be notified on all our new videos. Take care and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.